Hey friends, how are you? We are here to do a cash stuffing. So today is what? It's Tuesday. It's only Tuesday, April 14th. I have not gotten paid yet. I told you guys in a previous video that the way that my pay is going to work this week, I may not get paid before we actually leave. So I came up with a plan on where we're going to get the money. Let's first check the rollover and see what we have here. And then we will get right into the stuffing. So how are you? I hope you've been well. I know videos have been sparse. They probably will continue to be sparse, to be completely honest. Because I don't know that I'm going to have many more videos other than this and my savings challenge stuffing. The only other thing I'm thinking is potentially a bonus stuffing if I have any buffer left after the pay. But the problem is, once again, I don't know when my paycheck's going to come through. So we'll just have to kind of see how things play out. Bunch of change this time. And I think, I hope, but I think that we have a decent amount of rollover. So let's check that out. You guys, I am so excited for vacation. We leave in 2 days. 2 days. Oh my gosh, I absolutely cannot wait. I am just so pumped. Okay, this is mostly in order, which is good. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So we have 20, 40, 50. That's an old 10. 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, and 91. So $91, pretty darn good. And I'm going to stuff my wallet in this video, but I'm hoping to not really spend much because, again, we're leaving in 2 days. So yes, that's great. So hopefully next cash stuffing, I will also have a good amount of rollover. Okay, this is the budget planner created by me. It is available on Amazon. It is linked down below. Here's the back. I just love the aesthetic and the vibe of it, honestly. But yeah, it's linked below in my description directly. It says, my Amazon books or whatever. But you can also click lower down in my description box for my Amazon storefront. And these books are linked in there as well, along with other stuff I like and use and recommend and things like that. So let's see what we're going to do. I have so much to do still at home here before we go. We leave in 2 days, like I said. I still want to do some cleaning. I kind of waited, I'm waiting to the last minute because when I clean the house, I have 2 small kids. It just gets immediately messed up again. So I want to wash my floors. I want to give my bathroom a good cleaning so it's really nice and clean at the last minute. So some last minute cleaning because when we come home, the last thing I want to do is clean. So that way, when we come home, the house will be nice and clean for about 5 minutes until the kids get a hold of it. I have to finish packing. I have a bunch of things to do, and we only have today and tomorrow, but tomorrow's out because my son has a concert at school, his spring concert, and so we're going to be at that. And of course, I'm working, my regular job today and tomorrow, so very limited time to do a lot of things. I want to do my nails, my toes. So yeah. Okay, so here is the budget. And let's see what we're doing. Do I need any cash for the bills? No. I need my $150 for my regular wallet stuffing. And then I need, looks like I'm putting $10 towards Penelope. And then $25 to Christmas, that can go digital. That stays in my bank account and I just transfer that over to savings. So it looks like I need just $160 worth of cash, which is good. So here's what I'm going to do. I am actually going to pull that from vacation. And the reason I am okay doing that is because some of this cash is not needed until we get back. So for example, the dog, we're boarding the dog. And to pay for her, you don't pay till you pick them up. So I can take from that. That's really the only thing, I guess, that is like after we get back that we'll pay for. But the dog's going to be like a little over 400, I think, and I only need 160. So that is fine. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40. I don't have change. Maybe I'll have change in an envelope. 60. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60. Perfect. So what I want to do is make a note for myself, because you guys know that I took 160 out, and I'm just going to use this IOU slip here because I have it. And then if my actual paycheck comes through, before we leave, like sometimes it comes through Wednesday nights and we're leaving Thursday morning. So if it comes through Wednesday night tomorrow, what I can do is, trying to find a paper clip, what I can do is grab that out of the ATM and then just put it right back in here. And if it doesn't end up coming through till Thursday, that money is still in my bank account. I won't take it out ahead of time. I'll just have to take it out when we get back to pay for the dog. Either that, or I'll have to deposit cash and pay it all with my debit card or something, or, half and half, whatever. I'll figure it out. But this was my solution because I want to get these videos filmed, because I want to have enough time to edit these. And even if my paycheck comes through tomorrow night, Wednesday, that means we have my son's concert at 7. That means I have to come home, get money out of the ATM, film 2 videos, edit 2 videos, and I don't want to be up super late. So there we go. Okay, so this is the money for the wallet, like I said, but we do need change. So let's move to the sinking funds, and hopefully I can find change in the dog's envelope. We'll see. So Penelope is pretty much drained. I told you guys she had her vet visit, and then I did also have to get her medication. Her vet visit was $205. That only left me with $39. So for her medication, it was $190. I just took that out of my what's that called? My bonus that I got from work. So we're gonna put $10 in, which I know that's not a lot, but something. And today is 4/14. Okay, so let's see if we have change. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. No, wait, I only need $10 change, right? Because I'm putting in 10. So I'll put in a 20 and take out 10. So this should be 49. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 49. Perfect. So that is good to go. Okay, and then it looks like I actually have a finished challenge up here that I forgot about. So let's go ahead and stuff this while we're at it. We're in this binder. This was from Wild Everest. I'd rather not. Super cute. And this is going towards kids. And so let's pull that out. And this is $30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Perfect. So $30 into kids. And then that finished challenge will go in our finished challenge envelope as well. So 4/14. How are you guys doing with your savings challenges this year? Let me know. I don't know. I feel like this is like the least money I've ever saved, but you never know till you count everything up. I'm still always like pleasantly surprised. So we'll have to wait till the end of the year to find out. Okay, this money is yucky. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 65, 75, 85, 185, 86, 7, 8, 9, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 here in the kids fund, which is great. And there's a lot of ones and a lot of change in there, but I actually like that because if I want to give money to the kids to buy something or, you know, just need to pull a few dollars or whatever, the change works perfectly. Okay, let's pop this into my finished challenge envelope. Yay! And then let's stuff the wallet next. So this should be $150 here for the wallet. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 45, 50. Perfect. So $150 in the wallet. I'm still using this little kitty cat wallet. As I said, it works okay. It doesn't work great when you have a ton of cash, so this is not what I'll be bringing on vacation. But yeah, it works decent. Okay, so that's that. And then last but not least, we're going to put $25 to Christmas. So let me get out my prop money box, which of course I did not prepare in advance. And I did notice, so the microphone that I'm using, I purchased this microphone because I noticed when I don't use it, and if I turn my head in any way, so my phone is right here. This is what I film with my phone is right here. If I turn my head in any way while I'm talking to you all, the sound is not as good because I'm not like directly facing the microphone, right? So I got this wireless mic that I have clipped onto my, you know, my shirt, because I figure if I turn my head, it's gonna like turn with me basically, and the sound will still be okay. Well, that was really not the case. It's like a cheap mic. It's not expensive by any means. And if I turn my head, you know, I'm still not turning my body. And I noticed the sound is still kind of cutting out. So I'm sorry about that. If you notice that, I have too, just know. And I'm sorry about it. But I'm going to do my best to like be cognizant of the fact that I need to be turning my body if I turn my head, or that I am trying to just speak directly into the microphone at all times. Okay, so this is my Christmas binder, and we are working on Festive and Feisty. This is the $2,000 version. I also have a $1,000 version of this if you want to save a little less. This is only half the binder because I finished the other half last year, and I'm just working now to finish this out. And I do see an IOU here for $4. So what we're going to do is take 25 and subtract the 4, and now we have $21 left to work with, and our IOU is paid. But I'm not going to let that go far because I have a feeling I might just need to bring that right back. Okay, so we are working on Don't Get Your Tinsel in a Tangle, and this is a big one, guys. This is like the big kahuna, I think, of the whole binder. This one little challenge adds up to $212. And as you can see, we have a 30. There are some 30s on here, or maybe 30 pluses. I don't know. So we're just going to like scratch and see how it goes. I think we'll start going down this side now since we finished this corner. And we have $21. It might be wiped out in one scratch. We might be able to do 2. I don't know. Let's just see how it goes. Okay, 14. Okay, so we can scratch a second time, which is good. So we have only $7 left. It's definitely going to be an IOU. Here, or here. Feel like I'm going to go in the corner. Might regret it, but they all have to be done at some point, right? Oh, yeah. 20. Okay. Well, not too bad, I guess. So, see, I knew I was going to need that IOU slip. So, we have a $13 IOU. I guess not horrible. So, right now, let's go ahead and do that before I forget. And we owe $13. That's fine. We will put that in next time we stuff this if we can. And we'll paper clip that on here, but let's put the money in first and see where we're at. I am extremely behind. I know I've told you guys this before. Extremely behind on saving for Christmas. 100, 150, 70, 90, 210, 230, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3. 243. and it's April. And my goal is 2K. So yeah, you can see the problem, right? But we do what we can around here, and we'll make it work no matter what. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I am so grateful that you're here. Let's see, what day is this going to air? I think this is going to air Thursday or Friday, so I am now away and on my cruise. Oh, so exciting. I do, as I said in another video, plan on filming some of the cruise and vlogging a little bit. So hopefully I can bring you back some good footage. But that is it for this one for now. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.